Alright, today we have the Reolink RLC-820A. Now this is a POE, Power over Ethernet camera. We did test the solar panel version as well of the Argus 2. Now this is 24/7 recording, it's plug and play if you've got POE. It's got micro SD, it's IP66, so it's more than the Argus, which is 65, and it's got easy remote access and 8 megapixels. So we're just going to take a quick look at it as we unbox it, and then we've got the review as well. There we go. So now we open it, and this is like a little cube looking box thing. And here you've got just your instruction manual. It's got the light blue sign that says that it's monitored by security and a few other paperwork in there. There is your Ethernet cable. Now that's the thing, you need Ethernet to power this, which makes it tricky because a lot of people aren't ready for that. It's more so the infrastructure must be set up before it. So you take this off, and just sitting there are your mounts, and there are your plugs on the side. So these are twisted. Oh, I like the way that they've boxed this. So it's already in there, and then they've twisted it around to have your plugs. Now let's undo that. And there it is, the camera itself. As you can tell, this is a hefty camera, and in comparison to the Argus, which just uses power, or the Argus Pro, this is got an 8 megapixel sensor. So it's obviously going to be much more industrial, sort of for different uses, not as much for the home. That's what the other products are for, whereas this one might be more commercial. Now it does a really good job. Now I've just taken a look at the app, which we'll go through. We'll have a quick talk about it. Now we're just going to have a quick talk about it now that we have used it. Here is the app itself. We're just running through a few of the settings here. It does a pretty decent job in the app. It's intuitive and it's easy to use. It's got a lot of settings that you can go through, and you can have lots of cameras that you can look all in one place, which is the good thing about the app. The camera itself is really high quality here. Now I can't get the screen to move as smoothly as I'd like because I've got it stuck with the other camera, but this camera with the POE, the RLC-820A, is genuinely really high quality. It's great for any commercial setting that does require the 8 megapixel sensor. That is really good. Whereas the other ones are a bit smaller, they're a bit more made for residential, not as smooth. This one is great. And you can tell from the quality itself, if you're structured to have POE, then that's perfect. But I understand that a lot of people just don't have the infrastructure to put a POE system in. But if you are, this is a great solution. You can hook a few of them up and then go into the app and use it all together and see them all in one hit. The app allows you to talk both ways. It's obviously got the sensor that can give you notifications once it triggers the warning of the sensor. It's got night vision, infrared, all those sorts of features. It's waterproof as well, obviously IP66, so it's made to last, and it is sturdy. That's the good thing about this one, is it does a really good job at just sitting there like a normal security camera in any setting, because it doesn't have that long cable. You might not have like a solar panel that can get the power. This might be out there in the elements, and it doesn't seem to have an issue with that. It twists around, it moves easily. That's the good thing about it, is it can twist from left to right and up and down, and you can control that from the app as well. So there's a lot to like about this. If you are wired for POE, it's a great alternative. If not, then the Argus 2, which we also did a review for, is great as well. Now I'll leave a link below of the Argus 2, which we did, and also for our website, which will have all of our reviews. So check them out. Also, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, comment, do whatever you can to help the algorithm. And check out our motoring channel, Talking Talk. I'll leave a link below as well. We do a lot of work with cars, reviewing them, testing them out. Similar sort of thing to this, but just, with cars, do some drag races every now and then, go to events, Formula One stuff. It's all there. So I'll put everything below, check it out. And for now, I hope this was of some use. I'll leave the review in the links below, and stay tuned for more videos.